Hi, are you someone who stays outside of India and would like to shop from Indian e-commerce stores like Meesho? Is Meesho mandating that you have an Indian phone number, or is it not accepting foreign modes of payment? Or do you just find it difficult communicating with Indian sellers? This is how Shopre's personal shopping experience can help you out. Watch to know more.
Once you have logged into your Shoppre account, you will reach your dashboard, move your cursor to Personal Shopper and click on the Place an Order option under Step 1. You will fill in the pricing details, click Step 2, Add to Cart now. You can visit any Indian e-commerce site or browse through your favorite products and pick them. Copy the link from the search bar of the first product and paste it under item URL. Mention the product quantity, name, size and color. You will also have to list the desired product price in INR in case of the item not being available at the time of us placing the order. You can opt for any of the following options. Cancel only that particular item and continue to place the other items, or cancel all items, if any. Now, click on Save and Next to reach Step 3. Additional options. The sales tax and delivery charges are already predetermined. Choose the margin you are willing to pay by extra if the price of the product or products increases. If you are not willing to do so, you may choose to cancel the order. Specify if any instructions and click Next. You have reached the final step, and here is the final cost and the breakup of your order. As you can see, you have been charged 200 rupees for the personal shopping. Not just that, you get access to zero consolidation fee, discounts on shipments, etc. at just 3,999 rupees. Click on Make Payment and choose your preferred mode of payment. Move over to the Available Offers option. Use the promo code, if any, to shop more affordably. Finally, make the payment and you're done. Happy shopping!